What's something people don't know about ancient number systems? Imagine a world without the familiar one, two, threes. No numbers to tell time, measure ingredients, or count money. This was life before the Arabic numerals we use today. How did ancient civilizations grapple with the concept of quantity without these numerical tools? The answer lies in a fascinating journey through time. We will explore the ingenious ways our ancestors first gave form to numbers, prepare to unlock the secrets of ancient number systems. Numbers are more than just symbols. They are a universal language. They represent quantities, values, and the very building blocks of mathematics. In the dawn of civilization, humans needed ways to track livestock, measure land, and record trade. The development of number systems was not a singular event, but a gradual process. It arose from necessity and evolved through innovation. Different cultures developed unique ways to represent numbers. These early systems laid the foundation for the mathematical advancements that shaped our world. Even before written language, humans counted. Our earliest ancestors used what was readily available, their fingers. Finger tallying, a basic form of counting on one's hands, was a natural starting point. But what about representing larger quantities? Archaeological evidence reveals ingenious solutions. The Lubombo bone, discovered in a Swaziland cave and dating back over 35,000 years, is thought to be the oldest known mathematical artifact. This baboon fibula bone bears 29 distinct notches, perhaps representing a lunar cycle or a tally of some kind. These early attempts at counting, though rudimentary, demonstrate the human desire to quantify and make sense of the world. They are a testament to our innate mathematical curiosity. Journey with me to ancient Mesopotamia, the cradle of civilization. Here, around 3000 BC, the Sumerians developed a remarkable writing system called cuneiform. Using a reed stylus, they pressed wedge-shaped marks into clay tablets. These marks represented not only words, but also numbers. The Sumerian system was based on the number 60, a sexagesimal system. Why 60? This number holds a special place in mathematics. It is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, and 30, making it highly adaptable for trade and calculations. The legacy of this base 60 system is still with us today. We see it in our measurement of time, 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, and angles, 360 degrees in a circle. The Sumerians, with their innovative cuneiform numerals, left an indelible mark on the history of mathematics. The enigma of Egypt, hieroglyphs speak in numbers. Across the sands of time, another great civilization flourished, ancient Egypt. The Egyptians developed a pictorial writing system known as hieroglyphs. These intricate symbols, often found adorning temple walls and tombs, were more than just art. They held the key to understanding Egyptian culture, beliefs, and yes, even their mathematics. Egyptian hieroglyphs used a base 10 system, much like our own. They had unique symbols for 1, 10, 100, 1000, and so on. To represent a number, they simply repeated these symbols as needed. While not as sophisticated as the Mesopotamian system, Egyptian hieroglyphics provided a practical way to represent and manipulate numbers. They played a crucial role in Egyptian astronomy, engineering, and everyday life. A world of numerals. From Mayan to Roman, counting takes many forms. The story of ancient numeral systems doesn't end with Mesopotamia and Egypt. Across the globe, civilizations developed unique ways to count and represent numbers. The Mayans of Mesoamerica, known for their advanced astronomy and calendar systems, used a base 20 system. Their numerals incorporated dots, bars, and a shell symbol to represent zero, a concept that eluded many other ancient cultures. The Babylonians inherited the Sumerian cuneiform system but simplified it. Greek numerals used letters of their alphabet to represent numbers, while the Chinese developed a system based on counting rods. And who can forget Roman numerals with their iconic I, V, X, L, C, D, and M? Each system, with its own strengths and limitations, reflects the ingenuity and mathematical thinking of these ancient cultures. The rise of a new system, Hindu-Arabic numerals, changed the game. As civilizations interacted through trade and conquest, ideas spread. A pivotal moment in the history of mathematics occurred around the 5th century AD. Indian mathematicians developed a revolutionary system using 10 digits, including the concept of zero as a placeholder. This system, known as the Hindu-Arabic numeral system, proved far superior to its predecessors. It allowed for more efficient calculations and could represent any number, no matter how large, with just 10 symbols. Arab traders and scholars recognized the power of this system and carried it across North Africa and into Europe. It took centuries for the Hindu-Arabic numerals to fully replace Roman numerals in Europe, but by the 15th century they had become the dominant system. This shift marked a turning point in the history of mathematics, paving the way for the scientific revolution. Echoes of the ancients, the enduring influence on modern math. The ancient world may seem far removed from our modern lives, yet the legacy of ancient numeral systems is all around us. We see it in the way we measure time, angles, and even in the architecture of some of our oldest buildings. The concept of zero, a groundbreaking idea that originated in ancient India, is fundamental to our understanding of mathematics. Without it, advanced calculations and many of our technological innovations would be impossible. The struggles and triumphs of ancient mathematicians laid the groundwork for the field of mathematics we know today. A journey through time, our debt to ancient number systems. Our exploration of ancient numeral systems has taken us from the caves of Swaziland to the bustling marketplaces of Mesopotamia and the sun-drenched temples of Egypt. We've witnessed the ingenuity of the Mayans, the practicality of the Romans, and the revolutionary impact of the Hindu-Arabic system. Each system, though different in its representation and complexity, reflects a fundamental human desire to understand and quantify the world around us. These systems were not mere tools for counting, but the building blocks of knowledge. They allowed civilizations to flourish, trade to expand, and knowledge to be passed down through generations. The universe in numbers, from ancient counting to cosmic calculations. As we stand at the precipice of new discoveries, with telescopes peering into the vastness of space and computers crunching unimaginable amounts of data, it's humbling to remember our roots. The journey that began with simple tally marks on a bone has led us to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. The language of numbers, first whispered in ancient caves and inscribed on clay tablets, now allows us to speak the language of the universe. The story of ancient numeral systems is a testament to the power of human curiosity. It is a reminder that even the most complex ideas often have humble beginnings. As we continue to explore the frontiers of knowledge, let us never forget the legacy of those who came before.